Hi, my name is Rob Cameron with Choice One Social. Um, Allie's going to be having a meeting with you today, and I just wanted to create a quick screenshot as to where we would be able to help, where you might be lacking in your social settings. As I look at your website, so you have 4 locations. You're running your wash packages, detail packages, coupons. Join the email club, obviously, to capture leads. This is a good way to strategically use this for your Facebook page because 9 times out of 10 that's where your audience is at. So when I went down to the bottom, I saw that you had a Facebook icon, but when I click on it, it just takes me to a share module, and it doesn't really take me to your actual page. And this is good for people that may, for whatever reason, liking the page. I mean, I'm not going to like it because it's going to hit my wall of about 500 friends, and there's really no reason for me to like it. I'm really, there has to be something enticing for me individually to bring in a like that's going to share it to my wall. And I see that it says it includes a coupon, but it really doesn't put a strong emphasis on really what these people can get from me. So share module links, they're okay, but they don't work the best as far as really trying to capture someone's attention and getting them involved and giving them reason to like your business. So that's what I get when I go to the share module on your page. It doesn't really take me anywhere. I haven't really, gone through your Twitter and all this stuff. I don't know how long you've been doing it. Um, so as far as just a quick analysis of your social presence, there really isn't one. Once you do get to that point and you're running it properly, I would suggest maybe bringing these icons more towards the top. Uh, it's hard to capture someone's attention on the internet nowadays. You have about 20 seconds to capture their attention, so it makes it real difficult if they're not really navigating all the way to the bottom of your page to get it. As well as you join your email club. I mean, you want to capture a nice list, but you also want to give people reasons to join your list and become fans of your business. Just to give you an example of using a Facebook page properly and really engaging with your audience is the best way for you to build a community that you can market to. 9 times out of 10, companies that I research and look at, they all have Facebook. They all have social media networks, but majority are not using it properly. It's one thing to just have a bunch of dots on the map saying I'm doing it, but it's another way to. It's another thing when you actually can connect the dots and get them all engaging and going to and from your website and really using it smoothly and properly. Because a lot of times you go to a page, you don't really understand where to go or what's happening. So Facebook has launched a timeline business model, which was launched March 30th of this year, which changes the whole structure and confines of a Facebook business page. They also stipulated a lot of rules and regulations to their business model. Most people don't understand it. Professionals who actually went through training and actually understood it do understand how to connect the dots. And one thing you'll have to understand with a Facebook page is this cover art area can be changed in and out. I would suggest when you're running events, specials, without having a call to action, because you can't put a URL, you can't put any $20 off this, there's no call to action put in here, but you can run event dates, you can run photos of things you want to, or you can have a design like we've done, just promoting our brand. And then our profile image. Now these thumbnails here, there's 12 thumbnail apps that Facebook gives you for anything you want to use it for under these thumbnails. 9 of them are fully customizable. As you can see, we customized roughly 6 to 7 of them. You can put any type of link in here. You can direct people wherever you want them to go. The very first thing you look at is what is going to bring people in to like my business. Any new person that comes to our business is going to see get free or welcome once they look at our page. If they're enticed by the get free and they come in, before they even see this, there's going to be a strong emphasis towards this like button that says like our page to see the offer. Basically, I've already liked the page, that's why it's showing it to me. They're called like reveals. And what we've done is we've built a full iframe website landing page on top of inside the thumbnail. And what we're giving people is a 200 tip guide to increasing sales, fans, and followers, and it's absolutely free. In order for them to download the book and get the tips that we created, they have to get it now. Now this is another way of capturing a lead without me telling them, join our list or go fill out our list for updates. I want to give them something. So number one, they get something free from me. I get something free from them, which is a lead, and it gives me the opportunity to save my ad dollar and send emails out to my leads. That's one thumbnail. And keep in mind, this is something you can do for yours. I mean, obviously the demographic's going to change, and maybe the target points are going to change a little bit, or the offers. But it's all the same on the way you engage your audience and the way you perform your marketing. Because you can lose a fan quicker than you gain one, and usually it happens because you're bombarding their wall or their newsfeed with a bunch of offers or a bunch of discounts. And people don't want to see that. If I just got a discount from you and it keeps hitting my wall, I'm probably either going to unlike it so it doesn't show up on my newsfeed, or I'm just going to hide it from my wall. Now here's another thumbnail we used. This one actually, we put a customized video that talks about the power of Facebook, some of our clients, and an opt-in form, another page to capture a lead. But we also put links in here. Each one of these areas will take you directly to where you want them to go. The website, the map on our website, our services page, get noticed online. So no matter where people are at in their social presence, we're there too. So it's one thing to just try to advertise with someone like Google or print ads or Yellow Pages and realizing you're not getting the return. And if you're not getting the return, it's just another dollar you have to continue to spend. In a situation in a social presence, the idea is to be where your audience or your prospects are at. Instead of creating an ad somewhere where somebody will only look at one particular time in their life or day or times in their life, whether it be plumbing or a car wash. Car wash, if they like you, they'll come back. If they don't like you, they'll go somewhere else. But when they're initially looking for a good car wash, chances are they're only looking for it when their car gets dirty. But if you're actually creating conversation and engagement in areas of where people already are, now when somebody's using you, their friends are going to know about it. Now when somebody else is using your service that might be linked to one of the friends that want to become or use your service, they're also going to know about it and they can come in. There's ways to capture that attention by running contests. There's so much to this. It's a fraction of the cost that it would cost normal advertising. So the goal is to build a community, get a return on your engagement, which is get people to engage with you, and then market to your audience. And that's how it goes. Most people do it backwards. They just start posting a bunch of stuff and they're really not engaging. No one's engaging with them. And the problem is Facebook runs an EdgeRank tool that monitors what gets posted in people's news feeds. And the reason they do that is because if it's not relevant content, they're not going to come back to Facebook to check the status. So what happens is if your post isn't getting likes or shares, they'll remove it from the newsfeed and it won't be seen. So it's important to get people to like and share, and it's also important for you to engage with your audience and also go to like type pages, other car wash companies, competitors, things that relate to your industry, whether it be a tire care or whatever, anything auto related, and start liking comments and pages of what other people are liking, because that way when you like it, they get a notification. They're going to see you liked their comment, and it's going to link them with your brand, which will in turn allow them to link back to your page and see what you're doing and what you're offering. So there's a lot to this. I'm hoping Ali will be able to explain, how we do things and how we communicate with our clients and how we get this thing rolling for you. My name's Rob. I'm the social media consultant for Choice One Social. So if you have any questions or anything based on the video, definitely would love to help you out with that. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.